I'm attorney Corey Luedeman with RSH Legal. There are many myths that surround Social Security disability benefits. Here are 4 common ones and the truth behind them. First, if my application was denied, then that means I can't get benefits. That's simply not true. Over 60% of disability applications are denied the first time. However, that doesn't mean that you don't deserve or aren't qualified for the benefits. Every year, thousands of Social Security disability applications are denied for a variety of reasons. It may be that you didn't provide enough information on your initial application for the Social Security Administration to consider you disabled, or you may have not been specific enough when describing your limitations to the SSA. If you were denied disability benefits, don't give up. The SSA has a whole process for disability appeals. There are several different levels of appeal, and you may be approved for benefits at any point in the appeals process. 2. I need to be disabled for a year before I can get benefits. This also is not true. You do not need to be disabled for a year before you can get disability benefits. You need to have a disabling condition that is anticipated to last a year or is terminal. You should apply for disability benefits as soon as you are aware that you're unable to work due to your limitations. The reason for this is the way that Social Security awards and pays benefits. For Social Security Disability Income Benefits, SSDI, the SSA will begin paying you disability benefits starting the 6th month that you became disabled. That means for the first 5 months that you're considered disabled, you are not entitled to receive disability benefit pay. That's true for everyone. What's important to know about SSDI benefits is that the SSA will only pay you back benefits for up to 1 year before your application date. If you submit your application within 18 months of becoming disabled, then you will receive back payments going back to the 6 months after you became disabled. However, if your application for SSDI benefits is submitted more than 18 months after being disabled, then you'll only receive back payments for 1 year prior to your application. This means that you could be losing out on months of benefits because you didn't apply in a timely manner. Receiving disability benefits usually takes months or even years, especially if you have to go through the appeals process. That's why we recommend you apply as soon as you realize you are disabled. Number 3. If my doctor says I'm disabled, I will be approved for benefits. The way that the SSA defines disability is often different than the way that a medical doctor may define it. A doctor may tell you that you can't go back to work at your job. However, the SSA may argue that you're still able to work at a different job and are therefore not disabled according to their rules. The SSA asks the same questions of each applicant to determine whether someone is or is not disabled. First, are you working? Second, do you have a severe medical impairment? 3, do you meet or equal one of their medical listings? 4, can you do any other of your work that you did previously? 5, can you adjust to any other type of work? These questions need to be answered in a specific way before the SSA will grant you disability benefits. The opinions of your doctors and other medical providers can still be helpful in proving to the SSA that you're disabled. Medical records are key pieces of evidence that can be used in your disability appeals process. 4. I don't need an attorney to help me get benefits. While you are not required to hire an attorney to get Social Security disability benefits, having one can take away from the stress of filing paperwork and collecting the right information to prove your case can be invaluable. If you have been denied disability benefits, we may be able to help. Call RSH Legal today at 1-800-433-0283.